What's the meaning of cervix? Cervix. Cervix.
Cervix. Cervix. The cervix is a part of the female reproductive system that connects the uterus to the vagina. It is a narrow, muscular passageway that plays an important role in childbirth, as it dilates to allow the baby to pass through during delivery. The cervix also produces mucus that helps to protect the uterus from infection. In addition, the cervix can be the site of cancerous or precancerous changes, and regular cervical screening tests are important for the early detection and treatment of these abnormalities.